How pivotal is a customer relationship management software to a thriving business? It's like asking how essential oxygen is to human life. In today's hyper-connected business landscape, a CRM software is the backbone of any successful enterprise, be it small, medium, or large. It's the secret sauce that enhances customer relationships, boosts sales, and bolsters productivity. Dive into the world of CRM software and you'll encounter a myriad of options. Here are the top 5 that have been making waves in 2024. First up is HubSpot, a giant in the CRM arena. This software shines when it comes to ease of use, boasting a user-friendly interface that's a breath of fresh air for those weary of complex systems. With HubSpot, you can track customer interactions, schedule emails, and generate detailed reports. Its standout feature? The ability to integrate with a wide range of other software, making it a versatile choice for businesses of all sizes. Next in line is Go High Level. This platform is a powerhouse for lead generation and conversion. It offers a unified marketing platform, which means you can manage your email marketing, social media marketing, and SEO from one place. Its unique selling point is its robust automation capabilities, which enable businesses to streamline their marketing efforts and save precious time. The third contender is Keep. This software is a gem for small businesses, offering features like contact and lead management, marketing automation, and invoicing. Keep's strength lies in its simplicity and its ability to keep everything organized. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. On the fourth spot, we have Monday.com. This software is a project management guru. It offers a highly customizable platform that helps teams stay on the same page. With Monday.com, you can manage tasks, track projects, and collaborate with your team in real time. The cherry on top? Its visually appealing and intuitive interface. Lastly, we have Zoho. This software is a comprehensive package offering sales and marketing automation, customer support, inventory management, and more. Zoho stands out for its scalability. It grows with your business, adapting to your changing needs. In summary, each of these CRM software has its strengths. HubSpot excels in integrations, Go High Level in automation, Keep in organization, Monday.com in project management, and Zoho in scalability. Choosing the right CRM software is akin to selecting the right pair of shoes. It's not about which is the best, but which fits your business the best. If you're at a crossroads and need guidance, reach out to AlphaFam Management Consulting. Boasting certified experts in all these software, AlphaFam can equip you with valuable insights tailored to your business, illuminating your path to the perfect CRM software. Remember, the right CRM software can be the catalyst that propels your business to new heights. So take your time, do your research, and make a choice that will empower your business to blossom in the digital age.